Welcome to Agoracom Small Cap Breaking News,
Yeah.
your daily go-to source for the best small cap headlines for over 65 million investors.
Since 2007, that's right.
Since 2007.
Wow. We've got 4 companies making news today.
Okay, let's dive in.
First up, Great Atlantic Resources.
Okay.
Symbol GR on the TSX Venture Exchange.
Right.
They are grabbing headlines with the expansion of their tungsten portfolio.
Interesting.
They've acquired the Nashwaak Lake Tungsten Property in New Brunswick.
Wow.
And it's right in the thick of things, just 3 kilometers from Northcliff Resources Limited Sisson Project,
Oh.
a known tungsten molybdenum deposit.
So what's really got people talking about this?
Well, I think what's catching everyone's eye are those historical tungsten values from rock samples.
Yeah, it makes sense.
We're talking about numbers from legacy reports, but still impressive.
Okay.
We're seeing samples from 2009 exceeding 2,000 parts per million.
Wow.
Fast forward to 2022, and a sample returned a massive 20,300 parts per million tungsten.
Whoa, those are some serious numbers.
They are?
The kind that make investors, sit up and take notice.
Absolutely.
Makes you wonder what Great Atlantic's own exploration programs will uncover.
Exactly. We have to remember, though, that these early figures are based on near-surface intercepts
Okay.
and glacial slope samples.
Gotcha.
To really understand the potential here, Great Atlantic needs to drill deeper and delineate the resource.
So it'd be really interesting to see how this all plays out.
Yeah.
Tungsten is a critical metal, but as always, market conditions and price swings
Right.
will play a huge role in the project's viability.
Absolutely. Those are all factors that investors will need to keep a close eye on.
For sure. Now for our next breaking news story,
Yeah.
we turn to ESGold Corp,
Okay.
trading on the CSE under the symbol ESAU on the CSE.
All right.
They're updating their preliminary economic assessment for the Montauban project.
Interesting.
And the big question is, what's driving this move?
Well, what do you think?
Soaring gold and silver prices.
Of course that makes sense.
Gold is sitting pretty at $2,930 an ounce.
And silver is shining at $32.50.
February 18th.
Yes, as of February 18th.
So that's a market reality that's got ESGold taking a fresh look at their project's economics.
Smart move. This updated PEA will be key for accurate financial projections.
Yeah.
Investors are going to want to see how those higher metal prices impact net present value, internal rate of return,
Right.
and that all-important payback period.
Absolutely. And, ESGold's president, Brad Kitchen, he put it best when he said, with gold prices reaching new highs, we see a unique opportunity to reassess the Montauban project economics under significantly improved market conditions.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Of course, no investment comes without risks.
True.
Commodity prices are notoriously volatile.
Uh-huh.
And then we can't forget about those ever-present operational challenges.
Right.
Permits, timelines, cost inflation, all that fun stuff.
All the things that keep you up at night.
Exactly. But it is worth noting that ESGold is fully permitted,
That's right.
and their focus on responsible resource management should help them navigate those potential hurdles.
It should definitely help mitigate some of those risks.
Absolutely. Now on to some breaking news in the battery world.
Okay, love it.
HPQ Silicon.
All right.
HPQ on the TSX Venture Exchange
Uh-huh.
is causing a stir. Their Gen 3 silicon anode batteries are outperforming
Oh, wow.
some major players: Samsung,
Really?
Panasonic, LG.
Impressive.
That's right. And we're talking about significant performance gains.
Okay.
These GN3 batteries are boasting an impressive 82% capacity retention after 900 cycles.
That's huge.
Now compare that to Panasonic's NCR18650 GA, which retains just 70% after a mere 300 cycles.
Yeah, that's a remarkable difference.
And it's not just about longevity.
Right.
We're also seeing a 31% cumulative energy gain compared to those traditional graphite-based batteries.
I mean,
HPQ CEO Bernard Tourion sums it up nicely when he says, these results confirm our ability to develop world-class silicon-based materials that enhance battery longevity and performance.
well said.
I think he hit the nail on the head.
He did. But what I find truly compelling is HPQ's strategic design choice.
What do you mean?
These silicon anode materials are designed to integrate seamlessly into existing battery production lines.
So they're compatible
Yes.
with industry-standard formats. 1NA650, 21700, 26650, and 4680.
Exactly.
No costly retooling for manufacturers.
Now that's thinking ahead.
And speaking of thinking ahead, let's talk market opportunity.
Okay.
The battery anode materials market is projected to be worth somewhere between US $22.5 billion
Wow.
and US $33.8 billion by 2030.
That's a big market.
That's a market with huge growth potential, and HPQ is positioning itself to be a major player.
Absolutely. And they're not just talking the talk.
Right.
They are walking the walk.
They, along with their R&D partner Novasium, are preparing for commercial-scale production
Smart.
using high-throughput manufacturing processes.
They're going for it.
Now for our final breaking news story for this part of our deep dive.
All right, let's hear it.
Corkix Copper,
Okay.
symbol KRY on the TSX Venture Exchange,
Uh-huh.
is celebrating.
Oh, why is that?
They've just been recognized as a top 50 company on the TSX Venture Exchange for 2025.
Wow, congratulations.
And their numbers speak for themselves. They've seen a 400% share price appreciation
That's incredible.
and a 737% market capitalization growth.
Those are the kind of figures that make investors drool.
That's right. And Corkix's president and CEO, Haidon, put it simply, this award is a testament to our team's experience and capabilities in execution.
Well deserved.
And he's got a point. Corkix has been on quite a journey.
In what way?
Founded with the mission to supply critical copper resources, their flagship project is the Heb Copper Project in Namibia,
Okay.
one of the world's oldest known copper porphyry deposits.
Wow.
Then in 2024, they underwent a strategic restructuring.
Ah.
And that restructuring clearly set the stage for their recent success.
Yeah, it seems like it.
The top 50 ranking is based on their stellar one-year share price appreciation, market capitalization growth, and Canadian consolidated trading value.
So what's fueling this impressive performance?
Well, their Heb Copper Project boasts an indicated resource of 414 million tons at 0.35% copper,
Wow.
and an inferred resource of 345 million tons at 0.33% copper.
That's a substantial resource base.
It is, and they're operating in Namibia, a mining-friendly jurisdiction.
Right.
And they have additional exploration licenses in Zambia.
So they're covering their bases.
They are, and they've got a long-term vision.
Tell me more.
Ongoing technical studies are looking at how to transform Heb into a large-scale, low-cost, long-life, open-pit sulfide flotation copper project.
Ambitious.
They're even exploring the potential for additional copper production through heap leaching.
Corkix is definitely a company on the move.
That's for sure.
Wow, that's a lot of breaking news for one day.
I know, it's a lot to keep up with.
I'm ready for a coffee break.
Me too. It's clear that the small cap market is a hotbed of innovation and opportunity.
It certainly is.
Remember, this deep dive is just the starting point. We encourage you to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Until next time, happy investing.
Great advice. Thanks for joining us today.